I'm a pediatrician.
And I'm an interventional cardiologist.
It's like your daily necessity.
I'm happy without any reason.
फील नहीं हुआ था मुझे बहुत दर्द हुआ।
वो फीलिंग ही अलग थी।
So pure and so fresh. It's something that you should do.
Enjoy the beauty of meditation.
Take a deep breath in and breathe out slowly.
Hi guys, what's up? I'm Annapurna and welcome back to my channel Annapurna's Muse. In this video, I'll show you how has meditation helped me, my friends and million other people across the globe. Recently मैं गई थी Art of Living International Ashram for an advanced meditation program जहाँ I met people of different age, different profession and I talked to them about their experience on meditation. उनका लाइफ कैसा था मेडिटेशन करने से पहले और अब मेडिटेशन करने के बाद. तो कम लेट्स सी देयर से ऑन दिस.
My name is Shyam Agarwal and I'm a full-time traveling faculty with the Art of Living.
I'm Dr. Shahina Virani and I'm a pediatrician currently practicing pediatrics in the United Kingdom.
मेरा नाम वैभव है, मैं एक IT इंजीनियर हूँ.
My name is Anushka Khandelwal and I work with Infosys.
So my name is Dr. Nilay and I'm an interventional cardiologist.
मेरा नाम के रविशंकर है. Professionally, I'm a software engineer.
मेरा नाम मोनालिसा दास है. I'm a software engineer by profession.
Approximately a decade.
5 years around.
I've been meditating for the last 10 years.
Since childhood, it's like 1997 to 2021.
3 months से कर रहा हूँ.
I think I've been meditating since my childhood. 7 years.
सब कुछ तितर बितर सा लगता था, एकदम ऐसा ना दिमाग में खिचड़ी सी मची रहती थी.
Anxiety issue थे, decision making was really poor.
बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस होता था मुझे and emotional थोड़ा imbalance रहता था.
I was a very aggressive child and I threw a lot of tantrums around. In one word, I would say stillness.
Understanding level बढ़ गई मेरी. Empathy देना कैसे देते हैं वो समझ में आ गया.
I feel I have seen life and people in a positive outlook. I'm not able to explain it, but I'm happy without any reason. I can say that.
Meditation has helped me to view all the life situations with equanimous mind. You know, we can take things in our stride when they are not going our way.
तो मेडिटेशन एक तो फोकस आया है, एक क्लैरिटी आई है, एक माइंड मैनेजमेंट sort of thing आई है.
Life was good, but after experiencing meditation, life is much better.
Initially, when you meditate, there is a little difference that you can make from whether you're asleep or you're meditating. That's one question that used to keep coming to me, whether I'm really sleeping or am I meditating. But trust me, it is meditation and it just happens as part of the process.
फर्स्ट टाइम मेडिटेशन किया था तो कुछ फील नहीं हुआ था मुझे बहुत दर्द हुआ था. उसके बाद करते करते थोड़ा सा रिफाइन होता गया एक्सपीरियंस.
It was one of the best experiences of my life. I would say it was the best day of my life when I first experienced meditation.
Whenever I meditate, it's kind of a stillness, it's kind of stability, it's kind of that peace and rest which I don't find in the outside world. Sit with myself for 20 minutes and just be with myself, and that's what I would call my everyday experience rather than my first time experience.
New. Everything was so new, so pure and so fresh. It was very peaceful, very soothing and calm. Something magical.
वो पूरा हवा में उड़ते हैं ना वैसे.
अगर आपको अपने माइंड को एकदम सेन रखना है ना, तो मेडिटेशन इज मस्ट. आपका दिन का शुरुआत मेडिटेशन से होना ही चाहिए.
I would strongly recommend everyone watching this to definitely practice meditation at least twice a day and definitely experience Sudarshan Kriya once in a lifetime and enjoy the beauty of meditation.
And in today's world where COVID has changed the way we interact with each other, I think interacting with one's own self is so important to maintain that calm state of mind and that stability in yourself. So it's like food, water and shelter. You need meditation as well.
And I strongly suggest everybody who's a kid of 5 years old to 70, 80. Everybody should meditate.
Absolutely, everyone has to meditate. We take bath every day for the body. We must take bath for the mind every day too. It's like mental hygiene that we brush our teeth every morning. We should meditate every day to clear the dust on our minds. Jai Gurudev.
Guys, Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.
Love you, Guruji. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.
Beautiful, isn't it? मुझे भी मेडिटेशन करते हुए 6 से 7 साल हो गए हैं और औरों की तरह पहली बार मेडिटेशन करने पे मेरा भी एक्सपीरियंस कोई वाओ ओ सो ब्यूटीफुल नहीं था. बहुत बोर लगता था पहले क्या आंख बंद करके बैठना है, पैर दुखता था, कमर दुखता था. बट ग्रेजुअली एज आई स्टार्टेड मेडिटेटिंग रेगुलरली, जो मेरे लाइफ में शिफ्ट हुआ है ना, इट हैज़ ओनली बीन टुवर्ड्स बेटर. I'm speaking from my personal experience, and hence I request you, in fact ask all of you, to start practicing meditation, and you can thank me later about this. So chalo, this was it for this video. Now like and share this video. First, for the algorithm, it will help me a lot, and second, so that this message reaches maximum people and get them into meditation. आपको उनकी दुआ लगेगी, मैं बता रही हूँ आपको. तो चलो, टेक केयर, कीप स्माइलिंग, बाय बाय.